tire them no good.
No man, me buy our markets, but the press. Be a 10 grand US.
Yes, sir. Yes, Zimmy. So the one your body no peeps, Zimmy. But naturally, before we jump on it, me go ask you for like, comment and subscribe to the trendy dancer. Yes, Zimmy. Yeah, people. So Govana release a single off him album. Yes, Zimmy called HAMANTS CONVO. About 3 months ago, me I tell you said hit peak time. Me I tell you months, weeks it a play all about, you see me. Yeah man, people, and me I tell you no. Forward back with part 2 on it, but me I tell you no people, but you see me. So here we go on, you know. Me I go set some bops and jump in my honest review right about now.
Wicked man Chris, walk on brother.
There you in the Jenna. Reach back to New York in the devil weather. Yeah.
Not even talk about New York right now, because we know everything about this devil. You see it, people. And we don't even want, even though I'm not there, so about the end of the day, just the introduction, I know the dog, they mail up the money and the canic a while ago. Like the dog reach over on the other side, and that's the image. And him stress free and he's a good look.
Y'all them feel up, it's the Jenna there.
Yo, you listen to Chris, mad thing as usual. Yeah. Dropping at the place and rise up a new girl.
Yeah, I mean new girls, plural.
Ha, you see me, so right, that's again the dog, kill it. You see me. Yeah man, can remember last time when we got through a situation where, yeah, see me, he never so very pretty, you see me, so the dog show them say, yeah man, to overcome that are the greatest thing, you see me. On the other side, him there now, you see me back and think. Least.
No me don't worry about Keisha them a loose girl. I find a girl who hotter.
Oh you say she proper?
Sexy and fatter.
So you deal with it, my shatter?
Cool, like off you.
By the way, that nigga there, who him call Chris now, him we know him as D, no crazy, you see me. But in the last video, you don't have to watch the last video if you understand the one, you see me. But the dog say, yo, him find something better, you know, you see me, so you know what time it is, well, at least at that same thing. But what you are going to
you know the girl, them love chopper. Yeah. Guess who that? Here's your friend Tasha.
Aye, Tasha with the broad ties.
Yeah.
Small waist Tasha with the ass eye.
Yeah.
I got that up on her.
I did the man they would explain how the girl look yet. I just said name alone, the man tell the man, and they see how the man explain how the girl look and thing. You see me? The man I give example and thing, you know that. You see me? So the person there right now we are explain him in a black with the artist, him or the artist him named Govana, you see me. So problem again.
Our tongue poor and show your braces and have a little red fan, but the tire them no good.
No man, me buy our markets, but the press. Be a 10 grand US, me say nah, not the less.
Lord Claude, the dog say a lie, yo. Yeah. But me telling you say a problem in it, you see me. Yeah, but the dog is saying upgrade her man, me rate that. But all who are gone, me sorry for him in I last said you see me. But watch you know now, I could jump in our next skit there. Feel me there.
She a virgin, so you know the summer blessed.
Virgin?
Yeah man, and me first touch your breast. Oh you know she so good.
Just a lucky guess. Little advice though, don't suck your breast.
Alright.
One thing doing a D and easy, you know, that a Chris will have a role. At least Governor give him good advice at the same time when him a do him wrong at the same time. But I don't really feel him fault, I just him a pick a wrong girl, you see me. But the dog swear all things she a verge to blood clot people, me I tell you that one, yeah. Solid, yo. You see me? I go jump on to the next piece, they got a problem.
DJ, I'm gonna take your advice.
Chris, remember them girl are wicked and lying.
The one that different, man, me really just
hey. Suppose me tell you something, me did fuck up. You know what?
Say, I know my problem, and me, and my fault. Him just don't know the girl is good. Watch it. Him man I trust her, I just saw the thing go. People, you see me, and watch it. Go on and the ramping, man, the man I say, yo, the man that taunt him, man I say, suppose me, I'll tell you, say, me, I'll knock it, you see me, yo. Man wicked, jumping it again.
Fuck that, me don't chat. Last time I tell about Keisha, them say me love chat. When the girl them give you some, don't tell nobody about the hotel. Don't show nobody what you buy.
So you see the man advanced from last time, cause last time they must say, yo, the conversation never go so good, them a body mouth and enough things did go on still, people, but the man upgrade right now. The man I carry to him grave people. If him get up front right now, no on spill. Yes, I.
Don't tell nobody where the road sell. All when they catch our tongue in me ears, me I tell them no fuck it, me I bring it to the grave. See me pan video, I walk it like slave.
Straight up, the man I tell you straight up. Man I tell you if you see him on a video, man I tell you straight. Is a nigga favor him that and me. And they say they not try to hear it up, no events and no for know that. You see me? But man I really want to burn out them money still in it, but at the same time I feel like a girl did do some cover. That's something at a point, you know them way the people. But
I tell you how no me I bring it to the grave.
Almighty Wagwan.
No Chris again.
Chris again. This again.
Judge people, you know so enough for give me 100 likes on that video, you see me? You see me and like it up man, comment and share, you see what go on, you see be vibes in this people. You see me? Yeah man, Chris is a problem again, but what you are going right about now, cause they're all in charge, you know him.
Yo, the man miss again.
Pooping I made send for fire stick again.
You remember the girl Keisha bring from a fuck?
Which one of them, the slim man?
No man, the thicker friend.
You can see all the dog know the other B way man attack, you see me? But I remember Chris called the man, you know, which I did, you know, and him come seek problem again, you see me? Cause all of that did gone with that thing, you know. But anyways, watch your prayer, people, cause you know, the dog is swear thinking mute the call and attack a while ago. Watch you know.
Yo, me just up on the ground and run through a picture them.
Then I Chris wipe it up.
How this happen?
Movements, me didn't even know a dog. Big drama. Feel me, I go tell him though when they
Movement say, yo, how this happen? Govana bad dog, a bad artist. The man say him didn't even know, you know, you see it a big drama. But he want to tell him when it calm, you see me? But anyways, a Chris call the man with him problem himself, you see me? Him salt with girl though, you see me? But watch your prayer, cause him think the call mute.
They tell him about Keisha, and the whole way around killer say you're informer.
be about a years, girl, the man choose so far.
Him still up on the phone?
Yeah man, but mute the call. The call no mute.
Yo, dog, me I tell you. Last time I never know normal dog when the first chat did job, is me. And the people them would have Govana as an informer, but I think him redeem himself right now for sure. Yeah, the level of Gallis mentality and statistic. Yeah man, I give it to him man, a bad artist man. You see me? So watch our next flick up on the next script. You see me?
Try style man, but the thing feel.
I know you me attack Chris.
Then I who?
Chris Gill when the girl and give you some don't tell nobody body hotel. Don't
The dog is learning a lot from last time, you see me? So I give him a thumbs up on the video. You see me? People who can go over there, go watch the full video and get my understanding same way, you see me? And you can comment down below and tell me how you think on this same way. So the rest of it, yeah.
show nobody where you buy CR. Don't tell nobody where the road sell. All when they catch our tongue in me ears, me I tell them no fuck it, me I bring it to the grave.
Come on, wicked song, people, wicked song, you see me? And me like them type of music are right about nowhere, have quality context in it, you see me? You have good song out there, but this have quality right now, you see me? The vibe, rest in a current day, them him just give them something, you see me? Yeah.
See me pan video, I walk it like slave. Me I tell you how no me I bring it to the grave.
Joe man DJ. For real.
In that video, this you know, people who don't know the thing, go subscribe and like to the trendy dancehall. You see me? New content every day. You see me? Yeah man, we mostly vlog and do review and anything where hot. You see me? So this is the thing there. You can leave a like. You see me? A mad thing, man. Concept and everything, but mad.
DJ, wait, I forgot to ask it, yo. You remember the girls class thing? Yes! Can't watch it, me have two dogs from.
Even I last party dog still a style himself, people, you see me? Cause I him need the class all what gone, but when I do pressure it, you see me, at the end of the video, this, you see me? Remember to like, comment and share, you see me? Yeah man, peeps, I don't know the trendy dancehall. Stick that in your brain, you see me? Out and gunning. Yes, I.